Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can dropship on Etsy.com. So first we have to sign in or sign up on Etsy.com, then follow the steps I am telling you in this video. So I have made your account, just I am login. If you are new to this, you have to click on your account and here one option is coming, sell on Etsy. That click that one and you will be redirected to your site. Then you have to click your country, shop country and shop currency. I am selecting here US dollars. You can select whatever is your. Then you have to name the shop. I am naming the shop here as I am dropshipping t-shirt. You can dropship your stuff that you want to sell. I am naming this name is looking good, t-shirt by Insta. You can just to continue. Then here you have to don't do anything, just stop. Here is your account created. Then you have to go to this site, printful.com. This site's dropship your products in USA or anywhere in the world. You can just dropship it. You can see here you can sell your customized printed designs and all the things that you want to sell. Let's do. So you have to go to options, this option, then you have to click this. You can go to this option. You can sell on this all the big giant companies, but I am selecting this Etsy. You can do this. You have to click on this button, connect now. Then you have to sign in with your Etsy account. I am signing it. Then you have to select this button, connect to Etsy. If you want to read this application, you can read. I am connecting it to Etsy.com. My account is connected. Now I can add the product. Let us select this add product. When you will add your product, then you have to select the product which you will sell. I will sell here t-shirts. I can just select t-shirt. I can select this t-shirt. This t-shirt is looking good. Here you can see this t-shirt has came. Let us build a design. So you have to search Canva. So you will go to Canva. You have free templates and designs to design or customize. I am opening my app. As you can see, I am searching here t-shirt and you have to select this. You can take a blank or you can just select any template you want to select. You can just edit this and you can make your own t-shirt. I can just do like this. I will select a template that I like. I can just select this. We can write here a Supergirl or a woman. We can write as a woman here. Go to text. You can add here text that you want to add. You can just like here, right here. Like I am writing with pink will look good. You can just erase this. Let us ungroup it and then we will simply delete this. Let's ungroup this. We have deleted one. Sorry, it's been deleted. Let's ungroup. Let's delete this only. Down one. Then we select this. We can write here woman in capital. Woman. And we can do as a large. We can decrease the font size. And we can place it here. As you can see, it is looking good. We can just layer it down. Go backward. Do one time more. Go to layer. Extend backward. So this you can just make it large. Get large. You can just select this. You can just do like this. Woman. It's looking good. I think it's looking good. It will look in the print good. We can just download it. As you can see, its default file is selected. You have to just click on this download button. Just download it for free. We have just edited some things. You can edit as you want. I am opening here my website. I have to click on this. I have to upload a file. I understand. You can go at download option. I click on this. We have created this design. You can just click on this sample. As you can see, it is writing here. You can just go load some time. We can just do apply here. Here the you can wait it creating. You can just do it white. Now you can just create it white design. Here should be white. Go to white. Let's select this design. We have to take to mid. Boundary. You can select this design. As you can see, it's created. Here is cost coming between this. You can just cut this white. No, we want only white shirt. We don't want black shirt. We can select to this DGT printing. We can apply here over. As we can see, it's came properly. As we can see, it's here. We can we change the model? We have to previously change. Let us continue. You can change the model. I am making basically it's created at by mistake by a man. You can create a woman if you want. Here is mockup. Our mockup came. We can just do like this is looking best, or we can do this. We can select this type of design. It's looking good. We can just do select and continue. As you can see, it's looking good. You can just do continue. You got it. Just to continue, you have to just select this. Here is manufacturing info. It came automatically. Here is the title. You can change the title. Let's do to woman We can write t-shirts for women, t-shirt for women with love. You can click this, we can do continue, everything came automatically. Here is coming error, reload the page, try again. If we can reload this, as you can see it's not coming because our profile is not verified. When we'll verify our profile, then it will come, but it have been connected. You can just do with your this account. Okay, you can just create here, we can see it's coming. So you can just select your product, then you can sell on Etsy with the higher price. My account is not verified, that's why not coming, but you can do. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.